My roots are grounded in the purest light. My roots are rounded. My roots are stable. The electrical current that rises beneath the surface, connecting inside my temple, rising, rising. The purest form, formless energy through all time and space, love cascading, love, the purest love, the love that comes from inside you, not outside you. Self-love, self-awareness. I am, I am, I am. Tap into your root chakra. Ground into Mother Earth. Allow your soul to connect in the way that delivers all things that are inside you to activate, and anything attached to you to leave at once. Clear the path. You are the one to do it. There is nothing outside of you. It is inside of you. Tap in to your light. Tap into your peace. Tap in to the imprints that you have been molded before time and space, and allow you to feel. Allow you to feel all things, all microscopic things. Do not bypass what you feel. Accept what you feel, no matter what is outside. It is real to you. So feel it, because your feelings matter. The space and place that you choose to walk upon, the atmospheres that you choose to go into for the greater good of all. No matter what takes place in that space, remind yourself that you walk with purpose, that you speak with truth, that you show up in love, in pure intentions for the greater good of all. Humanity is better because of you. Souls are able to see because of you. The work is being done because of how you lead. Because of your will to find a way through the pieces that are hard, the pieces that are uncomfortable. You stay grounded no matter what is going on outside of you. Inside you is divinely connected, stable, flowing in one accord to your calling. And your crown chakra is in full activation. You're knowing. You're knowing. Your light moves through all darkness. Your light moves. It assists in navigation. It is that lighthouse. It is that flashlight. It is that introspection. It is. And because of you, others find their way. Because of your willpower to hold on when it's hard, to not give up when pain of others is trying to attach to you. You stand grounded in your faith. You stand grounded in God's will. You are the light in the dark, the voice of Basira. You are. Mother. Feel the embodiment. Shekinah glory dwelling in you. Your grace causes deliverance. Your grace causes understanding. Your grace causes a ripple in every heart, a ripple in every mind, a ripple in every soul, a ripple of expansion that sets the captives free, free from themselves, free from their programs, free from their suffocation. It opens up eyes, it clears minds, and it activates hearts. Yes, you, Christina. Yes, you. Open Heart Center. A message within a message. Because the work is in the heart. The work is in the heart. It's where pain exists. And the courageous can go in there and feel all their shit, so they can understand why they operate the way they do, where fear lives, how love is still trying to breathe. And you give them that gift to see by holding on where others would let go. That is why you were chosen. That is why. Feel the power. Feel the power. The limitless power that you embody. There's not a separation. It is a unified field. Keep holding on to that truth. Keep feeling it. Allow it to breathe outside of you. I am grounded in truth. I am grounded in my will. I am grounded in my calling. I am grounded in my anointing. I am stable. I am the voice of the ages. I am rooted in love. I am divine. I am the purest form of love. Whoa.